Alright, the guy who netted my fish, his rod broke, so I'm going to let him put his reel on my rod and fish if he can catch some mullet. Till then, I'm going to try using that rod with this lure here. Oh, no, I'm not, because I can't even get it out there. Oh, that felt good, that felt good. Alright. Ate my lunch cookie. Drank my Dr. Pepper. Brought my mullet. Got my face shield on, that's why you can't hear me. Oh, almost had a fish. Got the mullet out here. Oh, was that a fish? Oh, yeah. Oh, man, are you kidding me? Something had it. Looks like teeth. Looks like a flounder. There aren't any flounder out here. Not this time of year. Took a little rest. My mullet is out here now with me. That was a tiring trip down the jetty. Oh, oh, oh. Nervous bait, nervous bait. Guy I'm lending my rod to caught 2 snook while I was gone. 23-incher and one that cut him off. Could have been a trout that grabbed my mullet and I pulled it out of his mouth stupidly too. That would have fit the... Well, no, there are too many teeth for that. 2-pounder, although he might have adjusted his bite once or twice. Alright, I've given it another full 3 minutes. Had some interesting kind of tugs, kind of movements on the end. And it's been a full 7 minutes since I first noticed it wasn't moving, so gonna have to try to get the net ready just in case. I mean, I could just be sitting on a rock or something. I don't know of one out there. Alright, gonna try to stick him if it's a flounder or anything else. Could be a big stargazer or a giant frogfish, who knows? Or a big crab. Oh no, I'm hooked on something. Something's got it, letting it run a little. Gonna stick it now. Oh, and he spit it. He spit it out. Son of a bitch. Oh, he spit it out. Oh, he took 2 runs on it. And he spit it. He hit it and quit it. Something's running, I think. About a dozen. Yeah, it's in the orange bucket. Alright, I'm gonna try to hit him. Whatever it is, I want to stop running first. Oh man! And I'm gonna get him. Oh, let's see. Got a hook in him yet. Let him tire himself out there. Feels, oh yeah. Feels pretty good. He's gonna be a while though. Oh shoot, this guy didn't. The other one came in. Hey, oh man. Give me the one you got. All right. Get the brother up. Oh shoot, man, this guy is running for.
Don't wear out, dude. Don't wear out. Where's that wear out? Dude, I gotta jump in the water to get him up here. You got your drag lighting up, right?
Oh yeah, plus I got the back reel. I'm not even trusting my drag.
Alright, yeah.
The last one was screaming the drag, so I just put it on back reel.
Yeah, just take it on a mullet?
Yeah.
That's good, yeah. Just take your time with them, bro.
That's the first one I got on the mullet all day. I've been getting a lot of bites, but...
That's a nice one, too, dude. Just take your time with them, man.
Sheesh, man. What in the world?
You'll wear out.
This is,
Nice and easy, dude. Nice and easy.
It's fighting a little like a redfish, but I haven't caught enough big snook to really know how they fight.
There ain't no reds out there right now.
All right.
They're all snug,
Oh,
dude.
man.
They're all snug, dude. Just let them wear out, man. Nice and easy.
This one's I don't think is in the slot.
He's close. We'll see when he gets close.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, if you're gonna get tired, let him get tired out there where there's no rocks.
Yeah, you can find them good, man.
Oh, now he's swimming in.
Everyone that's broken me off, they've all been good, dude. They're all big, dude.
All chasing these giant mullet.
Just let them wear out. He thumped it.
Yeah, you know what? He just kind of. I didn't even hear it. I didn't even feel like a strike. He just started swimming with it.
Oh, okay.
It was like I thought it was nothing, and then I had a submarine on there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can tell by the way he's running at the snow.
All right.
Yeah, when you get him tired enough, dude, I'll get down there in that rock.
He's acting tired, but I bet he's got to run when he sees us.
Yeah, he's gonna take off. They always take off.
Oh, he's on a rock right now, I think. Try to get him up a little bit. Oh, yeah, there he goes, there he goes. Here, let me get over there.
Yeah, go ahead, come on.
So I don't want to give him a bad angle.
There you go.
Oh, he's out now, all right.
Nice move.
Oh, sheesh.
Nice move.
He didn't even see us, man. He just saw the rocks and he's done.
Yeah, he just took off again. Keep pressure on.
Oh, man. I just want to get a nice look at him, at least. Oh, he's taking another run. Oh, man. This guy's strong. Ah, another one. Oh, come on over here. Where is it? Ha ha! Gotta be kidding me. Oh, he just shook his head. He's like a frickin' elephant. Oh, it is a red.
A red or skunk?
It is a red. Holy crap. I can't believe he's fighting this hard. Man. He's not even really that big. I think. Yeah. Let me turn him around here. Ah, nice. Thank you. Awesome, man.
You got a weight I can steal from me, though?
Oh, absolutely. I got a pocket full of them. Need one or two? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. I need to free up a hand so I don't go sliding down the rock. Boy, hey. It's the middle of slot, top of slot.
You don't even have to measure him, bro.
Now I want to see to make sure he's not over, but I'm pretty sure he's right in the middle.
24, 25.
Yeah.
No more than that.
Whoa.
Got plenty out here to know.
Well, he fought a lot harder than his size would indicate, man. Holy cow.
What is he, 25?
20. Wow, 25 on the nose.
Got that shit.
Ah, that's
yeah,
enough.
man, get out of here, dude. I can
That's
fucking,
pretty good.
I can see him, bro, and just tell you the measurement.
Viewers, you should be that good at lottery numbers, man.
Look at this. I caught like 15 of them.
Oh yeah, nice. Whew, man, I was worried. It's later than I usually come. I thought I might have missed the mullet run.
Good job, man.
Thank you again. Let me. Oh man, you got a little bit of teeth in there. Oh wow, that's a deep end. You were hooked good. Much as I would have loved another giant snook, this is food for the table. Snook would have had to gone back, no matter what size, because it's a one fish limit. All right, let's Let's leave this here. Alright. See what I can bring back with me here. Whew. Just checking. I think I turned it off, and that's why it's coming right back on. Redfish, giant redfish finished the day here. How beautiful the sand is blowing over the ground here. Whew. Redfish, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shark tried to bite him in half, but I got him. Ah, man, my. Alright, doesn't look. You can catch some big bluefish out here too. Ladyfish. It's a lot of different species, but you just never know when they're biting.
Did you catch anything over there?
I did, finally. I caught some, mangrove snapper through the day, and then in the last hour I caught a big snook and a big redfish.
Really?
On fiddler crabs. Like a 28-inch snook on a 1-inch crab. It's crazy.
Is the redfish a keeper?
Yeah, it was like 25.
No.
And that hit a mullet. That hit a mullet.
They have to be in season.
You have to, it's the season goes from August to December, so we're right in the season.
So it is the season.
And it's got to be 28 inches to,
Yeah, I know it's like.
oh, it's a, oh, what the? Oh, really? Huh, fighting like that. Thought I had a sheep's head. Yeah, so it's like a 4-inch window. It's 28 to 32 inches. And it was just inside there. But man, this one guy was using mullet next to me. He was hooking one up every 5 minutes and busting off because he had some old line. All right, species number 6. We'll see, cat. Oh, really? That's usually not good for the fishing when it drops.
Oh, it's not?
Well, it's like whenever it changes.
Not right away, but maybe like
A couple days later. Yeah.
after they get used to like what's
Right.
going on?